Hello, good evening, Mike. How are you today? How are you today, Mike?
Fine.
Oh, you're fine. Did you finish your dinner?
Yes.
Wow. What did you eat?
I eat chicken, rice,
Wow, chicken, rice. Is that fried chicken or roasted chicken?
fried chicken.
Wow, I love chicken. Okay. Oh, Johnny, there you are, Johnny. And Jack. Jack, there you are, Jack. Oh, where's Angel? I can't see Angel. Hello, Johnny. Good evening. How are you today, Johnny? Oh, mommy, good evening. Is that mommy? Is that mommy, Johnny?
Yeah.
Oh, mommy is so young and pretty. Oh, where is Angel? Angel, where are you, Angel? Jack, where are you, Jack? I can't see you, Jack. We are now going to start. Okay, let's start to our lesson. Angel, I don't know where's Angel. Oh, Jack, there you are, Jack. Okay, are you ready, class?
Oh.
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
ready. Oh,
Yes,
hello,
I'm
Daddy.
ready.
Good evening, Daddy. Daddy's Jack's daddy. Okay, let's start. Can you see me? Can you see me?
Yes, I see me.
Yes. Can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes, I see.
Yes. Okay, can you see the picture that I'm sharing on the screen? Jack, can you see the picture that I'm sharing on the screen? Mike?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Let's have fun for starters. Practice speaking 8. Okay, let's have speaking today. Now, let's introduce ourselves. Okay, I will start. Hello, I'm Luna. Let's start with Mike.
Hello. Hello, I'm Mike.
Johnny?
Hello, I'm Johnny.
Jack?
Hello, I am John. Hello, I am Jack.
Very good. Okay, next. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Luna. Jack?
What is your name? My name is Jack.
Johnny?
What is your name? My name is Johnny.
Mike?
What?
What is your name?
It's Mike.
My name is Mike. Again, my name is Mike.
My name is Mo.
Perfect. Okay, how old are you? I'm 30 years old. How about you, Jack? How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
I'm 8 years old. Johnny, how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
How about you, Mike? How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay, very good, class. Now let's have, what do you do on weekends? I do in during weekends, I go shopping. How about you, Johnny? What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends?
I'm do playing.
Playing. Okay, what kind of playing? Playing basketball?
Play kids.
Okay, how about you, Johnny? What do you do on weekends?
Supermarket.
What do you do on weekends?
Supermarket.
Supermarket. Okay, go shopping. How about you, Mike? What do you do on weekends?
I go
Where?
to shop
Okay, I go shopping.
and go to the beach.
Wow, swimming. Wow, that's fun. Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. Oh, let's have this picture. What do you see in this picture? Oh, wait.
See monkey.
Monkey.
Pig. Climbing. Pig. On your house. Pig
Mm.
coconut.
Mm-hmm. Yes. The monkey is getting a coconut. Is this a coconut?
Yes.
Yes. Is there a dog in there? Is there a dog?
Lap.
Is there's a dog? Yes or no?
No. No.
Okay, as you can see, can you please describe this picture, Mike?
The pig is on the. The monkey is on the tree.
Mm-hmm. And
Teacher, may I go out?
okay. Okay, where is Johnny? Okay, please describe this picture. What do you see in this picture?
I'm see the bird. Two boys and girl is drinking coconut on the.
Mm-hmm. And there's a nipa hut. This is a nipa hut. This one. How many kids do you see, Johnny? How many kids do you see? One, two, three, four.
Seven. Seven.
Oh, seven. This is adults. Adults, mom and dad. Okay, how many kids do you see?
Five.
Five. Okay, what they will do to the coconut? What they will do to the coconut?
The monkey is catching the coconut to eat.
To eat or to drink?
To drink. To drink.
Okay, very good. Now let's ask Jack. Jack, what do you see in this picture? Can you please describe what do you see in this picture?
I see the monkey is climbing on the tree. And boys, girl, drinking coconut. And the dog is sleeping.
Okay, the dog is sleeping. And
the parrot is on the height.
mm-hmm. Wow, you see the parrot. Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Jack. Now, when we are describing a picture, we have four components. Four components. Who? Who? The persons. There is a family of 7 wants to drink a coconut juice. And the monkey helped them to get the coconut. When? When? It means when, date, month, or year. When? It's during summer season, because it's hot. Where? Where? Where means place. Yes, at their house. Near at their house. What? Means what movement, what they're doing. They want to drink a coconut juice. That's why the monkey get a coconut for them. Okay, I will describe this picture. As you can see this picture, there's a 7 in the family. It's during summer season. They're thirsty and they want to drink a coconut juice. That's why they decide to get a coconut in the tree near at their house. That's why the monkey helped them to have a coconut. Yes, that is how to describe a picture. Don't forget this. Who, person, when, date, year, or day. Where is place. What is doing. Okay, Mike, please describe this picture for what do you see for 1 minute?
I see a house.
Mm-hmm.
I see a flower, a door, a window, a dog, a monkey, a tree, a coconut, a dog, and children, and that's
Yes.
all.
Okay. Good job. Very good, class. Don't forget that. Okay, I will send this to our. Okay, wait. I will send this. Okay, wait. I will send this to our group chat so you will know how to describe a picture. Okay, let's start. What we have here. Please repeat. Oh, there's Angel. Angel. Hello. Good evening. Oh, where are you, Angel? Oh, you're outside. Okay, now let's have these new words. Please repeat after me. Johnny, coconut.
Coconut,
Coconut.
coconut,
Coconut.
coconut.
Jack, coconut. Jack, Jack.
What?
Coconut.
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 Mike, coconut. Wow, there's a teddy bear in your toy. Okay, Mike, please repeat. Coconut. Coconut.
Coconut.
Coconut.
Banana.
Okay, coconut.
Coconut.
Angel, coconut. Okay, Angel is busy. Angel, please repeat. Coconut.
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 Very good. Now let's have this one. Johnny, Stilt's house.
Still house.
Stilt's house. Don't forget the S. Stilt's house.
House.
Stilt's house.
Still house.
Jack, Stilt's house.
Still house.
Stilt's house. Don't forget the S.
Still
Stilt's house.
Still house.
Okay, Mike. Stilt's house.
Dude's house.
Stilt's house.
Dude's house.
Stilt's house.
Dude's house.
Angel. Angel. Stilt's house.
Dude's house.
Don't forget the S. Stilt's house.
Dude's house.
Stilt's house.
Dude's house.
As you can see, this is a stilt house. Have you seen this kind of house? Have you seen this kind of house before?
Yes.
Where?
When I go to beach.
Yes, mostly beaches. Have you seen one, Johnny? Have you seen a stilt house before? Have you seen this kind of house before, Johnny? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, how about you, Jack? Have you seen a stilt house before?
Yes.
Yes, very good. And then next, Jack, climb. Hello,
Climb.
mommies, Angel. Good evening.
Climb.
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 Mike, climb.
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 Okay, Johnny, climb.
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 Okay, next, Angel, climb.
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 Very good. Next, let's have the next. Angel, parrot. 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 Mike, parrot. Parrot.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Okay, Johnny, parrot.
Parrot. Parrot.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Okay, Jack, parrot. Jack, parrot.
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 Okay, next we have Johnny, phone. 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 Phone.
Phone. Phone.
Mike, phone.
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 Okay, we have Jack, phone.
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 Okay, Angel, phone.
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 Very good. Okay, what we have here, Mike, skirt.
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 Johnny, skirt.
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 Skirt. Skirt. Skirt.
Very good. Angel, skirt.
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 Jack, skirt.
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 Perfect. Okay, we are done. Now look at this picture and describe it. We are done. Okay, now, where's the Stilts house? Can you please point me? Where's the Stilts house? Do you know the answer? Where's the Stilts house? Where? Raise your hand.
Teacher.
Yes, Jack.
It's behind the door. How many minutes to goodbye?
Okay, let's wait. We have only 20 minutes. We have, okay, 30. We have 40 minutes more. Okay, where's the answer? Mike, it's behind the dog. Next question. Where's the trees? Can you please tell me where's the trees? Angel, Jack, where's the trees? Yes, on the grass. Very good. Okay, now let's have the next picture. What we have here, which is the guitar? Circle it. Which is the guitar? Circle it. Okay, please circle which is the guitar. Okay, what we have here, there. I'm putting the guitar next to the man. Next, and put the guitar behind the woman. Put the guitar behind the woman. There. Okay, very good. Which is the skirt? Which is the skirt? Okay, this one. Okay. Which is the frog? Which is the frog? Is this one a frog?
The frog on the table. On
Uh,
the table.
Put the frog on the table.
No.
This one, the skirt. And the frog is on the table. Oh, what they will do to the frog? Why they put in the table? Okay, next. How many parrots are there?
Two.
How many carrots? Two. What color are they? What color are they? Green parrots. Okay, very good. Okay, now, what's this? Have you got it? Okay, Johnny,
Phone.
let's start. This is
Phone.
a phone.
Phone.
Have you got it? Do you have a phone?
Yeah.
Yes. How about you, Mike? What's this? What's this? Mike, what's this?
The phone. A phone.
Okay, have you got it?
No.
Oh, you don't have phone.
My father and my mother and my sister have a phone.
Okay. How about you, Angel? What's this?
This is a phone.
Have you got it?
This is a phone.
Yes. Have you got a phone? Okay. Next, Jack. What's this?
This is a phone.
Have you got it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, next. Can you please tell me what is this? What is this?
Horse.
Angel. Angel, what's this?
This is a horse.
Do you like it? Oh, okay, wait.
Yes, I do.
Yes. Do you like riding a horse?
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, how about you, Mike? What's this?
It's a horse.
Do you like riding a horse?
Yes.
Yes, I love riding a horse. Okay, let's have Johnny. What's this?
Teacher. Horse.
Yes.
Teacher.
Mm-hmm. I have an activity after. Just wait. Please wait. Enjoy the class. Okay, Johnny, what's this?
It is the horse. Teacher, how many goodbye?
Okay,
No.
we have always 30 minutes. What you will do, Jack? Why you're running late? Why? Do you want to play outside?
Yes.
Oh, wait, Jack, wait. Enjoy the class. Okay. This is a horse, Johnny. Do you like riding a horse?
Yeah.
Yes. Have you ride a horse before? Yes. Okay, let's have this one. Number, what is this? Angel, what is this?
Oh.
A pencil. Can you draw?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, how about you, Jack? What's this?
This is a pencil.
Can you draw?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, how about you, Johnny? What's this?
It is a pencil.
Mm-hmm. Can you draw?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, how about you, Mike? What's this?
11. It's a pinto. 11.
Oh, what is this? A pencil. This is a pencil.
It's a punto.
A pencil. Can you draw? Okay, very good. Now let's have some activity. Please draw me. Do you have pen and ball pen? Do you have?
Yes.
Okay, can you please draw me a bunny? A bunny. Can you please draw me a bunny? Mike, Jack, do you have a pen and ball pen?
Yes.
Okay, can you please draw me a bunny? So you can imagine what's the bunny look like. What's the bunny look like? Johnny, please draw me a bunny. Bunny. Bunny rabbit.
Bunny dog.
Yes, a bunny rabbit. Mhm. Mhm. Can you please draw me a bunny so I can imagine what bunny look like? Okay, take your time. I will also draw a bunny. I like anime bunny. Please draw me a bunny.
Here,
Take your
teacher.
time.
Teacher.
Wow, so cute. That's a whole body of bunny. What color of bunny? Mike, what color of your bunny?
It's
You know, I like to have a pet bunny before.
white.
Color white. That's so cute. I don't know how to draw a feet.
What?
I don't know how to draw a feet. It's look like a fried chicken. Yes, that's a cute bunny. Wow, that's so fluffy bunny. Wow. My bunny is chubby. Look, my bunny is chubby. I don't know why my bunny is chubby.
Orange.
What color of your bunny, Jack?
I am brown.
Brown. Yes, that's cute. Okay, take your time. I want a beautiful, fluffy bunny. I want a fluffy, cute bunny. Okay, are you done, Johnny? May I see? May I see your bunny? May I see your bunny, Johnny? Take your time.
Teacher, look at this.
Okay. What's that? What's that?
Dinosaur.
Oh, that is a
Dinosaur.
dinosaur. Wow. So you are really into dinosaurs. Okay, are you done, Johnny? May I see your picture? May I see your drawing, Johnny? Where? This is my bunny. This one. Do you see my bunny, Johnny? Jack, this is my bunny. It's a chubby bunny. Yes. Oh, Jack, you look so serious.
What?
Jack looks so serious. Maybe he's for visualizing the bunny in his mind. Wow, that's so challenging to draw a simple bunny. Take your time, class. I want a beautiful, fluffy bunny. A beautiful, fluffy bunny. Yes. Okay, are you done, Jack? Where is Angel? I can't see Angel. Oh, you're still there. Maybe you will follow up the drawing when you come home. I will check. Angel. What color of your bunny? What color of your bunny, Johnny?
một bốn mốt một cộng chín bằng mấy
Picture.
Color?
bốn nếu một bằng năm năm cộng một bằng sáu đây là không cứ chạy đây số 8 đây số
Are you
8
done, Johnny? Are you done?
hai
May I
cộng
see
8
your bunny?
viết số 0 là nếu
May
một
I see your bunny?
một nếu
Where's your
hai
bunny, Jack?
năm sáu tức là 60 chứ
Johnny,
không
where's
sáu
your bunny?
có lại xài thì một cộng
Maybe I will draw a carrot
thì viết không
because bunny
không
loves
nhớ
carrot.
một nhớ một bằng một nhớ một bằng mấy một nhớ một có nằm đó Nếu một bút bông một cái một
Oh,
một
you're done. Oh, may I see? You can
hai
put closer.
đây
I
cô giáo
can see, Jack. Oh, that's a bunny man. Wow. How
Wow,
about
sister.
bunny man? Okay, I drew a carrot. Do you see that I drew a carrot? Yes, there, a carrot. As big as the bunny.
Hey, Jack.
So cute. You
Let me
know?
show
Yes.
the rabbit.
Are you done? Are you done, Johnny? May I see? Where's your bunny, Johnny? Where's your bunny?
Đây con sai. Thấy ở đây.
Johnny, where's your bunny? Hello, Johnny. Are you there?
Cô giáo hỏi cô trả lời.
How many minutes?
Cô giáo hỏi cô trả lời.
Oh, how many minutes to say goodbye? Oh, we have already 30 minutes.
Bé ở đâu?
30 minutes more.
Đấy.
30 minutes more. Yes, and are you done, Johnny?
Bảy.
Done.
Okay, may I see, Mike? May I see? Wow, a cute bunny. Wow. Okay, let's have a game. Okay, wait. Let's have a game. A map game. Okay, wait, class, wait. I will open this one. This one.
Let me see your body now.
Do you see this picture?
Não thật đi.
It's a map. Have you seen this map? Do you see a map?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's have a game. You will start here.
sir.
You will start here. Here.
We can
And
play it.
end up.
Hai con đám đó.
End up here. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you will start, Jack.
Ờ.
Please start, Jack.
Không mới đi phải biết số mua đây sư sao lại biết số mua.
This one.
One. Phone.
What's next? This one.
Pencil.
Yes.
Pencil.
This one. What's number? What's number is next? Like this. You will finish this. Prevent to get near at the ends. Okay? Okay, you can start, Jack. Please start. Jack, where are you, Jack? Jack is excited. He wants to play outside. Jack, enjoy the lesson. You can play after the lesson, okay?
Chúng ta phép tính ở đây đúng không?
Okay, you can start. Jack, where are you, Jack? Oh, where's Jack? Okay, Johnny, you can, you're the one, Johnny. You can, oh, Jack, there you are. Okay, please start here and end up where? Ends here at number 12. Okay, please start. You can start now, Jack. You can do it. Go, Jack. Go, Jack. You can do it. You can do it.
Go, Jack. Go, Jack. You can do it.
Pencil.
Do it.
You
Go,
can
Jack.
pencil.
Go, Jack.
Just
do it. You can do it. Go, Jack.
Just press the annotate. Annotate. And this one, the pencil.
Your S is on the pencil.
There is.
Drawing on the pencil.
This is the pencil. This one here, pencil. Do you know how to navigate pencil? Mike, do you know how to navigate pencil?
What?
Do you know how to use pencil?
Năm nhớ
Yes.
16.
Can you please help? Oh, there you are. There. There's a pencil.
Mấy ngồi đây họ vừa ra với bác nhà học. Chả làm sao hết.
You need to be careful from the edges. You don't prevent the near edges, like this edges. Do you know how to use pencil, Mike? Can you please teach your classmates how to use the pencil?
Like this.
No, here in the Zoom, in our account.
I don't know.
Ah, you don't know. Oh, there. Now let's have, okay, we are done with this. I think you need to learn how to use the pencil, okay? Let's have this one. Let's have a game. Fine. Oh, Jack, no. Why? You don't like? Yeah, it's like, you don't like dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look around, what can you see? I Spy with Twinkle Kids TV.
That is I Spy.
Welcome to I Spy with Twinkle Kids TV. Today we're visiting the farm to play a new game of I Spy. Can you help
I
me
don't
find
hear
all the-
you. Yes, Jack? Why? Do you see the video?
How?
Do you see the video, Johnny? Angel, do
How?
you see the... No? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's start.
things at the farm?
Yes, the animal farm.
I
Wow.
spy with my little eye an animal that is pink and has a big snout.
Snout.
What could it be?
Oh.
Have a good look around. You found it.
What?
This
Well,
one. It's a...
The pig.
Yes,
Pig.
it's a
Pig.
pig. Very good. It's a pig.
Done.
I'm fine.
A pig.
Mhm.
Pigs love to roll around in the mud, but they're also very clever. Now for our next find. I spy with my little eye an animal that is white with black splodges. Can you see it? What could it be?
Here.
You've got it.
It's
It's
a
a
cow.
cow.
Yes.
Cows are very
Oh,
big animals that make milk that we can drink.
Very
What's
good.
up next? I spy with my little eye an animal that is very soft and white. What do you think it is?
What is
Can
this?
you see it?
What animal is
Great
this?
job!
The
It's a sheep.
A sheep.
Sheep are very woolly, and this
Yes.
wool is used to make clothes.
Very good.
Now it's time for another. I spy someone cleaning in the barn. Who could it be? Can you see them? You did it! Well done! It's a farmer.
Farmer.
Keep the farm running by growing crops and looking after the animals.
Yes.
Now what can we see? I spy with my little eye an animal that is small and has lots of feathers. What could
Small,
it be?
a lot of feathers.
Have you spotted it? There it is. It's a chicken.
Chicken.
Chickens are very feathery
No,
and
it's
lay
a
eggs
chicken.
that we can eat. Next up, I spy something driving around the farm. What do you see?
Driving around the
Can you
farm.
spot it? There. It's a tractor.
It's a tractor. Wow.
Farmers drive tractors around the farm to drive over the fields and carry heavy things to different places.
Yes,
What
it's
else
a
do we have
tractor.
here? I spy an animal that runs around the farm but lives inside the farmhouse.
20
What do you think it
minutes.
Can you see it? There you go.
Dog.
It's a sheepdog.
Sheepdog. Wow, so
Sheepdogs are
cute.
very clever animals and help the farmer to round up the sheep so they don't get lost. Now for the next one. I spy a tool that is pushed around by the farmer to carry things.
What
What do
tool
you
is
think it
that?
is?
Wheelbarrow.
Got it!
Wheelbarrow.
It's a wheelbarrow.
Wow.
Farmers
They
use
just-
wheelbarrows to carry food and soil across the farm to all the different animals. We just have a couple more things to find. I spy a big building in the middle of the farm.
Big
Can
building.
you see it? Well done! It's the barn.
It's a barn.
The barn
it's
is
called
a very
barn.
big building that lots of the animals live inside when it's cold.
Very good. It's a barn.
Just one more to find. Do you think you can do it? I spy an animal with 4 legs and 2 horns. What do you think it could be?
What is this?
There you go. Well done. It's a goat.
It's a goat with
Goats are quite
horns.
furry and sometimes have little beards.
Very good.
Now we've found all the things at the farm. Let's see if you can remember where they all were. Have a look at these 2 scenes. There should be 5 things different about them. See if you can spot them
let's
all.
check. What are the 5 things, class?
Chicken. Duck.
Where?
Horse. Horse.
Yes. And other, what's the other? Oh, this one. And 2 more, 2 more.
2 chicken. The dog is black.
Mhm.
Me. I
Yes,
know it's
Jack.
here.
Where?
I'm coming.
I can't see anything.
Is your chicken black? Your chicken black. Your chicken black.
The duck. That is a duck. What else?
I see him.
Or the dog. Yes, the dog. And
No. Your
Mhm.
window. Your window.
what happened to the window? Oh, there's a window. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have the last. What's the last? Where's the last? The goat? There's no difference with the goat. I can't see. There's a tractor saying. Where's the last? I can't see. Where's the last? Oh, where?
See him. The duck. The duck no here.
The duck? Yes, we have here. The duck is not here. And what's the last? Is the cow? Is the sun? Is the clouds? What do you see, Mike? Angel, do you see the difference? The last difference?
See?
Maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last. Okay. Okay, let's check the last.
Here are all the differences. Did you spot them all?
Oh, this one.
Well done for investigating at the farm
Well
today.
done,
Make sure you come
class.
back another day to play more I Spy on Twinkle Kids TV.
Very good. Well done, class. Okay, now we are done with our activity. Now let's have let's look at this. Let's look at, we have 10 minutes, 9 minutes more. Don't cry, Jack. Now let's have a little review. What did we learn about today? What's our subject? About? What did we learn today about?
Speaking.
Speaking. Very good. And okay, wait. Speaking. We learn about speaking and your name and your age and what do you do on weekends. And we know how to describe the picture already. Who, when, where, what. Don't forget the 4 things. And we have learned also coconut, stilt house, climb, parrot, phone, and skirt. Okay, next. We already know what is the stilt house. And where's the 2 trees? Very good. Next, what we have here? Okay, now let's have a reward. Okay, this is the reward. Okay, wait. Where are we? Where?
I'm here.
Okay, there.
I'm here.
Oh, why the sharing stop? Okay, wait. I will share the class dojo. Here. Okay, there we are. Let's have
No.
Okay, we are Team Legends. Thank you for doing your homework, class. I really appreciate that. And thank you for being on time and for complete doing your task.
Strong.
Mm-hmm.
Your team is here.
TV?
Team Strong.
Oh, Team Strong, the
Strong.
other teams. I have the other teams. Yes, I have other teams. Lisa, Kay, Lucy, and Princess. And we have being persistent in class and working hard. Yes, our monsters are getting bigger. Wow, I'm so happy. And what we have here for helping each others. I'm so proud of you, class. Okay, now let's have the top 4. Who will be the top 4? Top 4 will be Mike. Okay, the top 3 will be Johnny. Johnny. Oh, where is Mike? Mike, where are you? This is your prize. Mike, a pink teddy bear. Do you like pink teddy bear, Mike? Good job. Okay,
I
our
don't
top
like pink.
3.
I don't like
Oh.
pink, teacher. I don't
Okay,
like pink.
I will find next time. Okay, this is for top 3. Johnny, very good. Johnny, very good. Okay, and our top 2 will be Angel. Yeah, oh, Angel. I'm sorry. Angel is late. Okay, will be Angel our top 4. Angel top 4.
How about me? Teacher, how about me?
Mike is top 3. Top 3. And the top
No.
the top 2 will
Johnny.
be
And
Johnny.
Johnny. And
Yes.
Johnny.
Johnny is top 2. Okay, our top 2 is Johnny.
The one is
Okay, Johnny, this is for you, teddy bear. For Angel is the pink teddy bear. This one, pink teddy bear. And this one for Mike. Mike, do you like this?
yes.
Yes. And our top one will be, who will be our top one is Jack. Yes. Jack, thank you for reminding your homework and submitting it as soon as possible. Okay, this is alpaca. 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 Okay, class. But we have few minutes left. Let's have a little song. Goodbye song, okay? Let's finish our class so we can enjoy. Goodbye song.
Yeah.
Where is here? Okay, please wait, Jack. We need to finish our class. We need to finish our class. That is our task.
Goodbye.
Oh, 4 minutes more.
It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's
Okay,
time to
To
say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again.
Okay, we have few minutes left. Let's enjoy the class, Jack.
It's time to go home.
How many?
3 minutes.
It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye. It's time to go home. See you again. Goodbye. It's time to go
Okay, we are done with our lesson. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you for participating, and I'm thankful that I have you in my class. Good night, class. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Johnny. Bye-bye, Jack. Bye-bye, Angel. Bye-bye, Mike. Bye-bye. Thank you, class. Bye-bye. Okay, bye, class.